If you are a woman in your 50s and you feel like your body has completely changed on you, you're not imagining it. You're not getting weaker. You're not falling apart. Your hormones have shifted. And nobody told you what would that actually feel like. Today, I want to change that. I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin. I'm a board-certified endocrinologist at the Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast. I work with women every day who come into my office exhausted, frustrated, and feeling dismissed. And when we look at their hormones, it all makes sense. So let's talk about 5 signs that your hormones are off to begin with, and why hormone replacement therapy might be exactly what your body needs. Number 1, you cannot sleep, and when you wake up, you're drenched in sweat. Hot flashes and night sweats are the most recognized signs of menopause. Not the only one, you don't have to have it, but it's the most common. They're more than just uncomfortable, because disrupted sleep affects your mood too, right? Your memory, your weight, and your heart. This isn't something you just have to push through. HRT directly reduces hot flashes and restores your sleep quality, often dramatically. Number 2, your mood is all over the place and you don't feel like yourself. Irritability, anxiety, sadness, zero motivation. Now, women in this stage of life are often told that it is a stress or depression, but estrogen and progesterone have a powerful effect on brain chemistry. When they drop, your emotional regulation drops with them. HRT stabilizes those hormones, and many of my patients tell me they finally feel like themselves again. Now, number 3, your weight is shifting and nothing is working, right? Especially in the abdominal area, you're gaining more weight. And this one is huge. After menopause, estrogen loss causes fat to redistribute, especially around your belly. Your metabolism slows down, your muscle mass drops. You can be eating the same way you have always have and still gaining weight, even with exercise. Now, HRT helps preserve muscle, supports metabolism, and makes it actually possible to manage your weight again. This is not vanity. This is your health, all right? So number 4, your joint aches, skin dryness, energy, all gone, right? Estrogen is protective. It keeps your joints lubricated, your skin elastic, your energy up. When it declines, everything starts to feel older faster. Women on HRT consistently report better energy, better skin, and less joint pain. These are real, measurable quality of life benefits. And number 5, your bone health and heart health are quietly at risk. This is the one that most women don't really know. After menopause, estrogen loss accelerates bone loss like 3 times faster than normal. Now, putting you at real risk for osteoporosis, and then you have to take these heavy medications that cause other problems. And cardiovascular risk in women rises sharply right after menopause. Now, when started at the right time, HRT has been shown to protect bone density and support your heart health. This isn't just about feeling better anymore. It is about living longer and stronger. Now, let's talk about the fear. You've probably heard, right, that hormones cause cancer. Well, actually, hormones reduces a lot of cancers. And let's talk about the breast cancer. That's what people really fear. So I understand why that fear exists. It came from a stupid 2002 study that was designed horribly, that scared the shit out of an entire generation of women away from HRT. But the medical community has come a long way since then, except if your doctor is very old and they're stuck in the past. They may not know it, but the current evidence shows that for healthy women in their 50s who start HRT close to menopause, the benefits significantly outweigh the risks. The key word is individualized care, the right hormone, the right dose, the right delivery method for you specifically. It matters a lot. At the Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast, that is exactly what I do. We evaluate your full hormonal picture and create a plan built around your body, your history, and your goals. You have spent decades taking care of everyone else, right? It is time to take care of you. So book your consultation today and let's get you feeling like yourself again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please call us at 772-398-7814.